Let's prove that AC equals BD. So I want to prove, well, first of all, let's see what we have. This right here. So let's write all the things. I'm not going to spend time. That's all given. We're going to write the givens, all the things that they told us right there. Then we're going to say that angle AXC. Now, some teachers will want you to do this in 2 steps, but some teachers let you just do it in 1. AXC is congruent to AXB because of the definition of perpendicular bisector. Or the definition of even perpendicular. I'm sorry, not perpendicular bisector. The definition of perpendicular. That does happen to be a perpendicular bisector, but just definition of perpendicular, you know that these both have to be right angles, and right angles are equal to each other.
Yeah.
Some teachers want you to say that in 2 steps. Some let you say it in 1. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is note that this right here, AX is equal to AX. AX is congruent to AX. You need to say that by of course, the reflexive property. And you need to state that because what you want to do, well, and then we're going to show that this right here is equal to that. CX is congruent to BX, and that's by the definition of midpoint, because that was given. And now what we have is side, angle, side. We have a side, an angle, and a side. So now we can say that triangle, be careful when you're labeling this, AXB is congruent to a triangle, label it the same way, AXB and AXC.
Yeah.
AXB and AXC, and that's because of side, angle, side. And now that we have side, angle, side, we can say that AC is congruent to AB because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So when you saw this at the very beginning, you should have been very, very set on this being your last reason right here, because these are 2 side lengths. And in order for 2 side lengths and 2 triangles to be equal, you probably are going to show that they're congruent triangles in the first place. So this is your second to last, and this is your last. Whereas other times, if it's 2 triangles that you're proving are congruent, your last step is going to be side angle side or HL or side 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 or something like that. Okay, so that's triangle proofs. Pretty standard that you're going to see them like that.